So now we're going to be working on function. So if you want to write a function, you must write the word def, and then you have to write the name of the function, and then followed by parentheses with parameters that you may want inside your function. So let's start the program. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a function that's going to return hello world. So when you create a function, let's say this function called hello world, and you actually want to see what the function is going to do, you have to call the function. In order for you to call the function, you simply type the function name and call like this, and this value is going to return hello world. In order for us to see it, we have to print it. So we put in the print, like this. And here it is, hello world. So this function here returns a string called hello world, and now we're printing the string called hello world. So now we're going to be creating a function that takes in an input and then returns us a value. This function here is, let's call it, what is my name? And then this function takes in parameters. So it takes in name. It's going to return your name. So we're going to return the name that you currently passed right here. So we're going to return this. And what we have to do now is we need an input in order for this function to work. So the input that we're going to write, say name, is going to be an input. Inside the name, we're going to ask you, what is your name? And what we're going to do now is we're going to call in the function, and then we're going to pass it your name. What we want to do is you want to actually see what the function is going to do. So we're going to print it. So let's just move this up right here. Make it even better. Let's save it. Press play. So what is your name? See, your name is George. And then it returns George. So we called in this function here. Before calling in this function, we had an input that requested you to enter your name. And then once they get a name, we called in the function afterwards with the name that you just inputted, and then we return the name to print it